Okay, this is the bracket that we use to put the camera on a fixed place. I apply a screw so that the camera can be fixed on this bracket, and after that I have removed two of the screws so that I can fix this bracket on this screen like this. And let me apply the screw, and after that I will show you the final result. Pause.
चलिए
Fix the bracket. After that we can adjust the camera on the front side so that it can be fixed on a specific place right in the center. Yeah, it can look like this. You can place it on the back side and you can use this camera. So